The Nutri Ninja 2-in-1's innovative, interchangeable Power Pod flips from Nutri Ninja's single-serve mode to food processing mode in seconds. Assembly of the 2-in-1 is easy and quick. For vitamin and nutrient extraction, the Power Pod should be oriented with the green button facing down on the counter. Simply load your ingredients into the Nutri Ninja cup. Screw the blade assembly on tightly, and place with the blade assembly down into the Power Pod. Then press straight down on your cup to start blending. When you're done, pull the cup straight up off the pod and unscrew the blade assembly carefully. Take your sip and seal lid, screw it on, and you're ready to head out the door. To use your 40-ounce food processor bowl for food prep such as chopping and blending, start by placing your processor blade onto the metal pin at the bottom of the processor bowl. Load the bowl with your ingredients, take your geared lid and place it onto the bowl securely. And remember to make sure the pour spout cover is latched. Flip your Power Pod over with the green button right side up. Place it on top of the geared lid, and by pressing down on the green button, you're ready to blend or pulse to perfection.